Take your feet parallel to each other, hands in Namaskar. Close your eyes. Take awareness on your normal breathing. And relax your whole body. Calm yourself. Now slowly breathe in. Lift your hands up, all the way up. Join your fingers over there and take it down while exhaling. Breathe in. Lift your hands up, stretch your body while exhaling. Take your hand all the way down. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out. Complete exhalation. Now breathe and lift your hands up. Interlock your fingers and turn your palms up. While exhaling, slowly stretch to the side and take deep breathe in and breathe out in that position. Again, while inhaling, come back to center. While exhaling to the other side. One deep breathing. Inhale, come to center. While exhaling, twist your body to the right and look towards the back. Give a good twist. Breathe in, come to center. Breathe out, other side. Look back completely. Take a deep inhalation and exhalation there. And while inhaling, come to center. Now wrap your right hand around your waist. With your left hand, pull your head towards the left side and give a good stretch to your right side neck and shoulders. Breathe in that position normally and again inhale, lift your hands up. Now wrap your left hand around your waist and pull your neck towards your right side with your right hand. Give a good stretch to your shoulder and your neck. Breathe in, lift your hands all the way up. And come down, interlock your fingers at the back. Open your shoulders, push your chest up, look up, and stretch back a little. While exhaling, bend forward, hands interlocked, with your spine straight. Feel a good stretch in your lower back and your shoulders. Now take your hands down. Breathe and go to half forward. Keep your spine straight and exhale. Go all the way down and touch the floor. Take your left leg back and lower lunge. Keep your knees down. Now place your hands on your knees and push your body back and stay there for 2 seconds. Slowly inhale, lift your hands all the way up, reach out and slowly while exhaling, push your elbows down. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe out, bring your elbows back and open chest. Breathe in. Breathe out, your shoulder blades pushing each other. Breathe in. Now stretch back, look up with your open chest. While exhaling, come down. Place your hands in the mat. Now stretch your front leg and go to half split while exhaling. Now breathe in, come to lower lunge. Breathe out, go back to half split. One more time. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe out, half split. Now breathe and come to lower lunge. Take your back leg to the front and forward bend. Now breathe in, come up to half forward. Your spine straight and go down. Reach your mat. From here, open your feet, heel in and your toes out. Go to Indian squat, hands in namaskar. Slowly breathe in, lift your hands up, come up, reach out. While exhaling, join your hands, come down and sit in squat. Breathe in, extend your hands. Breathe out, come down. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out. Now place your hands down and go to forward bend. Leg back to shoulder level and parallel to each other. Breathe in, come to half forward, spine straight, breathe out, go down. Now take your right leg back in lower lunge, keep your knees down. With your hands, push your body back, stay there for 2 seconds. Now breathe and lift your hands up. Exhale, elbows down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, shoulder blades pushing each other. Inhale last time. And exhale. Now inhale. Join your hands, stretch back. While exhaling, take your hands down on the mat. Now slowly go to half split while exhaling. Inhale, come to lunge. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Take your front leg back. Go to plank. Slowly while exhaling, go down with control movement. Inhale, twist in Bhujangasana. Exhale, come down. Inhale to the other side, give a good twist. Exhale. Now breathe and come to Bhujangasana, look up. While exhaling, go to mountain. Try to keep your heel down. Now point and flex your legs alternatively. Good stretching to your ankle, hamstrings and lower back. Now come to cat position. Turn your right palm facing up, fingers towards yourself. Now breathe in. Go to cat, belly button down. Exhale, hunch your back and chin lock. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Come to cat. Take your right hand normal. Flip your left hand. Now breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hunch your back. Now slowly come back to normal. Sit in Vajrasana. Hands in Namaskar. Close your eyes and relax yourself. This is our gentle morning yoga routine for 10 minutes. It calm yourself and give a good energy to start a new day with a happy smile in your face. Hari Om.